Hey everyone, so today is Vlogmas day 15 and super excited. I'm going to be doing actually wrapping Christmas gifts, so you'll see me starting it, showing you what I got and the process of it, making it, and then also wrapping the Christmas presents and how they all turned out at the end of it. And then I'll be showing you the next day. Basically goes into the next day of Vlogmas day 16. So furthermore, I'm going to go ahead and get right into the video. Hey y'all, so I'm back to show you. I got some of the gifts halfway done already, so it shouldn't take me long to get everybody's stuff together. So thank God I already pre-did this as it is already. And then this is the items that I did get. So as you can see, socks, some stuff, like creatures. And then so creatures, Lord Jesus. I mean to say a stuffed elf. My bad, I said creature. Jesus, please help. Still got a doll, stuff like that for my cousin. She's little. And then just some other little goodies. So I'm about to go ahead and basically get this stuff done and together. I will show you me doing this. Although outside they are actually doing I guess basically cutting the grass. I don't know why. It's cold. It's December. I'm just saying. But anyways, and plus I really need to just hurry up and get this stuff done. So I'm just showing you what I got done so far. So I might show me packaging some up or some not. But basically, at the end of the day, I will show you what they all look like when I am done and everything. So, yeah. Alright, let's get right into it. Hey guys, so I don't know if you can hear me or not, but today is Vlogmas day 16, and I am not doing anything right now because I have something that I get done. So this is going to be a very short, simple, video. So I still got things that I'm doing right now. Well, from Vlogmas day 15. So you'll see that clips of that, and then that's basically about it. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next Vlogmas. Love you guys. Have a good one, and I'll catch you guys, like I said, on the next Vlogmas day 17.